You know what's better than lemonade? Green tea lemonade. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe on how to make a simple green tea lemonade.
They say that in order to make your own original recipe, all it takes is just one single ingredient. You don't need to be a genius or a rocket scientist to make your own original recipe. In this case, all I need to do is just add one thing, which is green tea. In order to make one jug, all I need is about 3 tea bags of green tea. Simply tie 3 tea bags and then add a jug of hot water. Allow the green tea bag to sit in for at least 3 to 4 minutes. I got this idea because most of the tea shops use black tea. Instead of using black tea, why not I just use green tea instead and just give it a try? When you add black tea and lemon, that's the usual iced lemon tea that you usually get in the restaurants. And most of the commercial iced lemon tea are usually in powdered form, which I don't really like. It may be added with citric acids, which is an additional chemical, so I rather use original lemons instead. Why use citric acid from powder? Instead, why not use lemons as a natural citric acid? You could also get natural citric acids through oranges, lemons, and other citric fruits. That's why it's called the citrus fruits. Instead of me telling you the process, why not I just tell you a story instead? And let me ask you a question. What's your favorite citric fruit? Let me know in the comments below. Now, what inspired me to make this green tea lemonade? As there's a coming of flu season, I was thinking of how to increase my immunity system. Green tea has high in antioxidants, while citrus fruits have high in vitamin C's. Why not combine them both to make it better for my flu? And since vitamin C is natural and water soluble, why not I make a natural herbal drink? It's better to squeeze the lemon out so you can get all the tanginess out. Here's a fun fact about tea. In history, do you know that there are two types of pronunciation for this plant, which is known as te or cha? Te is originally a Hokkien word. When you see the word te, it means that it's traveled all the way in the sea route. And when you hear the word tea or anything that starts with the letter T, it's most likely it's a sea route of this plant. And when you hear anything that comes with the letter C or cha, this is most likely coming from the Silk Road. Most of the Chinese trader that comes from the Silk Road were originally in Mandarin. I'll give you an example. If you meet places like India, you'll notice that in India, most of the word that they use for tea is called chai. That means India is likely to get the tea from the Silk Road trade from China. And once you reach the Mediterranean, you can hear both chai and tea. If you wish to get the recipe measurements, you can get it from the description below. If you tried it, let me know how it tastes like and comment down below.
That's refreshing.